Hi everyone, welcome back to Fear Foods. In today's recipe, I'll be baking a pizza. So to view how I've baked this pizza, please keep on watching. To make the sauce, I use Jimmy's sauce, steakhouse sauce, and Spur's original barbecue sauce. You can use any steakhouse sauce and barbecue sauce. Add it into a pan. Then boil until bubbles start to form and add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of brown sugar, depending on how much sauce you use. Mix well and let it boil until bubbles form, then remove from heat and let it cool down. Add washed chicken fillets in a bowl. I was prepping it, so I used 1 kg. Then add a Szechuan sauce, around 1 to 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce, ginger and garlic, lemon juice, melted butter. My butter wasn't melted, but it would be better if you use melted butter. Then mix well and let it marinate for 30 to 1 hour. Butter or spray a pan and let it heat up. Then place your chicken fillet on it and let it grill until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, you can cut it into cubes or strips to put on top of the pizza. Then take a pizza base. You can have a plain base or a tomato base, it's up to you basically. Then add the barbecue sauce that we've made earlier in the video. Once your base is covered with barbecue sauce, add the chicken cubes on it. If you like your mushroom to be under the cheese, then add mushrooms as well, and whatever toppings on a pizza that you like. This pizza is also super tasty with jalapenos. Add your mozzarella cheese and then your mushroom pieces, and then bake it for 5 to 10 minutes depending how your oven works. And voila, there your pizza is ready. It's super cheesy and saucy and really tasty. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.